Senators get one last chance to question Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett. In a marathon confirmation hearing yesterday, Senate Judiciary Committee members grilled the appeals court judge for nearly 12 hours. Like other recent nominees, Barrett did not discuss how she would decide cases on the high court. She repeatedly made the point that she has no policy agenda and did not want to be used as a, quote, pawn. Nancy Cordes is covering the Barrett hearings. Nancy, what can we expect today?
Well, Anthony, today senators on the committee will get 20 minutes each to follow up on questions that they feel were not answered yesterday, which, as far as Democrats are concerned, covers a lot of territory. But Republicans like the fact that Barrett is being cautious. They think that barring some major stumble today, victory is in sight.
I have made no pre-commitments to anyone about how I would decide a case.
Barrett insisted Tuesday she does not have it out for Obamacare.
I'm not here on a mission to destroy the Affordable Care Act.
But Democratic VP nominee Kamala Harris argued Barrett's past criticisms, including a 2017 article, suggests otherwise.
How many months after you published that article did President Trump nominate you to be a judge on the Court of Appeals?
I believe my nomination to the Court of Appeals was announced in May of 2017.
That's correct.
But I don't remember when the article came out.
The article was published in January of 2017, so that would have been 5 months later.
A hearing for a Supreme Court justice has never been held this close to a presidential election.
Will you commit to recusing yourself from any case arising from a dispute in the presidential election results 3 weeks from now?
I certainly hope that all members of the committee have more confidence in my integrity than to think that I would allow myself to be used as a pawn to decide this election.
Democrats tried unsuccessfully Tuesday to pin Barrett down on issues like abortion.
Are you willing to say that Roe was correctly decided?
It's inconsistent with the duties of a sitting judge to take positions on cases that the court has decided in the past.
Louisiana Republican John Kennedy argued that judges' personal views are irrelevant because they take an oath of impartiality anyway.
Are you going to take that oath and affirm it if you're confirmed?
Yes.
You're not lying.
I'm not lying. I took that oath before I began as a judge on the 7th Circuit, and I have not violated that oath, and I would take it again, and oaths are serious to me.
There were some tense moments Tuesday after Barrett declined to say whether she agreed with the court's decision legalizing same-sex marriage.
I do want to be clear that I have never discriminated on the basis of sexual preference.
Hawaii Senator Mazie Hirono.
Sexual preference is an offensive and outdated term. It is used by anti-LGBTQ activists to suggest that sexual orientation is a choice.
I certainly didn't mean, and would never mean, to use a term that would cause any offense in the LGBTQ community. So if I did, I greatly apologize for that.
At one point during the hearing, Judge Barrett was asked to hold up the notes that she had in front of her, and you can see she held up a blank page, which was meant to highlight the fact that she was answering hours and hours of questions about detailed legal arguments without any notes at all. Tony.
Blank page, but not a blank mind. Nancy, thank you very much.